Hello all, welcome to session 36 of CSharp.net training series. In this session, I am going to explain about iterative statements in C Sharp. So let's get started. What are iterative statements in C Sharp? With the help of iterative statements, we can execute the same block of code multiple times. Okay, in C Sharp programming, with the help of these iterative statements, we can run or execute the same block of code number of times, that is multiple times. Okay, so here is one diagram which depicts the usage of the iterative statements. So during the execution, based on a condition, the same block of code can be executed any number of times. Okay. So what happens in this case is until this condition becomes false, the same block of code will be executed multiple times. Same set of code is getting executed multiple times until the condition becomes false case. Okay, this is what are the iterative statements in C sharp. There are different types of iterative statements in C sharp like while loop, do while loop, for loop and for each loop. Okay, these are the four varieties of iterative statements using which we can execute the same set of code until the loop conditions becomes false. Okay, these are iterative statements in C sharp. So that's all for this session. In the next session I'm going to cover another C#.NET topic for you. Till then, see you. Bye bye.